this video, I will show you how to remove Gmail account from all other devices. Firstly, when you get up right over here on your site on Gmail, what you're gonna do, simply you're gonna tap on your left upper side on the three dots, and then you're gonna scroll right down for settings. When you get up here, you're gonna find out all these different setups or all these accounts in which you need to select one of them. I'll go with this one. Now you need to go for manage your Google account, and when you get up right there, it will take some time to get up here to the main point of this video. Right after you get here, you need to go get started. You need to apply all these setups. Then you need to go for security on the fourth selection right over here on your upper side. And right here, guys, when you scroll right down, you're gonna find out your devices. Just go for manage your devices, and when you go right there, here you're gonna be available to get up and sign out, or simply go on it and go for sign out, and with this you're gonna simply remove Gmail account from all other devices.